Let's start with Power BI and data analytics. What it is, the power of reporting, the color of analytics. Main advantage of Power BI as a reporting environment, data analytics environment. Cheaper, easier, user-friendly operations. Very fast analytics, cloud reporting, and on-premise reporting activities as well. Our Power BI full stack course includes all these activities, cloud as well as non-cloud, on-prem reporting environments. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice orientation from scratch, right from the basics. I assure you the step-by-step practice orientation from scratch. So need your support, on-time practice needed throughout the course. Let's step into what is Power BI now, why we need it. What is Power BI? What are the tools involved in Power BI and how they are communicated with each other? Let's understand Power BI, a set of business analytic tools. A set of business analytic tools to design reports and perform data analysis. Set of tools. Okay, we are going to understand those tools slowly one by one to design the report and perform data analysis. We are going to design something called dashboards. To group multiple report items together. What is this? Let me take a small example dashboard live. In our classes, we are going to bring data from various data sources. We are going to bring data from various data sources. Once we bring the data from various sources, what next? We are going to get reports out of those data sources. We have different types of reports like Power BI interactive reports, paginated reports, etc. Different types of reports. Those report elements can be combined together to form dashboards. So remember, reports are different, dashboards are different. A dashboard is containing a collection of report elements. Various reports push data to a dashboard. Few elements from your report, few other elements from my report. Our manager can create a dashboard out of it. Something like that. Next, we have something called self-service BI technology. Yes, Power BI is known for self-service BI. What does it mean? End users can generate their own reports. Now the question, if end users can generate their reports, what we do then? There we are. We are supposed to format the data. We are supposed to frame the data in a correct way for easy end user reporting. That is a concept here. For example, back to the screen. We have something called Power BI Cloud. In Power BI Cloud, this access can be granted to few users and they can generate their own new reports here. Say create report. So end users can generate their own new reports. Then what we do? We are supposed to format the data first. So we have certain data formatting controls we need to learn at first place. So it's all about reports, dashboards, and self-service BI. In our Power BI classes from tomorrow, we are going to learn about dashboards. It's all about beautification of the data dashboards. Something called DAX. I said something because we are very new to this terminology. Data analysis expression language. We are going to learn something called Power Query and few other additional items which are very much required for our day-to-day job work. Now, what is DAX? What is Power Query? What is dashboard? Let's understand in a simple way. Okay, let's make it clear and straight. Very, very simple. You have some data with you. Using Power BI tools, we are going to design reports. From reports, we are going to derive something called dashboards. Remember that. A sample Power BI report can be something like this. And combining multiple report elements, we can have a dashboard something like this. Combining multiple isolated independent reports form a dashboard. Remember that. Now in the dashboard, you see some calculations. Total orders, total profit, are kind of calculations here, the visualizations. Those are taken from DAX, DAX. DAX is mainly for calculations, remember that. Whereas backend data formatting, extracting the data, arranging the data for calculations, that data preparations are nothing but Power Query. So Power Query for the main kitchen area, data preparation. DAX is the main serving area, add-ons, garnishing activities, adding more value to your report. I repeat, the kitchen area, data cleansing or data cleaning activities. Clean the data, slice the data, filter the data, Power Query. Okay. Once we generate the report, you would like to beautify it, garnish it with additional calculations. For example, see total number of calls, say completion rate, abandon rate, phantom rate, etc. These kind of calculations are through DAX, DAX, data analysis expression language. So Power Query for data cleansing, DAX is for report beautification, calculations. Yes, you are getting some idea, please everyone. I'll wait for some time. Mic with you all. Please check your mic now. Amrik, Anusha, Divya, Gayatri, Nitin, please check your
Yes,
mic.
sir.
Yeah, please, others. Pranay, Rakesh, Ramakrishna, please check your mic, please. I'll wait. Yes, Roja, please check your mic. Sindhu Sai, Sirisha, Sravanti. Yes, others,
Yeah, I'm
please. I'll
here.
wait. Others, please check your mic, please. Please
It's
kindly
good.
check your mic. Fine, thank you. Let's
Yes,
continue. Yes. So what we
yes,
are
sir.
going to learn from tomorrow? Fine, sister. Thank you. Thank you. What we are going to learn? Very simple. Okay. Very simple, friends. Let's understand Power BI in a tasty way. We need it. Okay. We need it. We all go to a star hotel. Okay. We all go to a star hotel. So Power BI is our star hotel. Say some star hotel like Taj, whatever. Now we see in this star hotel different kitchen areas, right? You have something called Asian, something like this. You have Asian, Indian, Chinese, Italian, multi-cuisine, Mexican, etc. Different cuisines or different restaurants, different tastes to meet taste buds of different customers. Same way, here also in Power BI, we have different tools we need to learn from tomorrow. That is a concept. So we cannot compromise our learning sticking to only one or two tools and think, okay, these are enough. No, Microsoft is clever enough to include a solid infrastructure ecosystem for Power BI. No compromise, okay? Let's learn all these. Now, for all these restaurants, there would be a common supplier of raw material, right? Left side vegetables, veggies, say left side veg, right side non-veg. Easy learning, okay? Left side Excel, CSV, TSV, text file, DAT, PDF. In this order, we are going to practice our classes for report design. We are going to start with Excel and slowly understand other items one by one. First, we'll complete all the veg section. Then we go for the non-veg section, SQL Server, MS Access sources, Azure SQL database sources, OLAP sources. So the prerequisite for enjoying our Power BI journey, SQL. Especially SQL comes on the right side. To access these databases, we need SQL. Whereas left side, to access Excel or CSV or TSV, tab separated value files, etc., SQL is not required. We don't use it. There are alternatives for SQL in the left side. There are alternatives for SQL on the left side. We'll do them. Right side, to pull data from databases into Power BI tools to generate the reports, we need SQL. Now the concept, now the question, which concepts we need in SQL will come there. Will come there very shortly. Which concepts we need to revise before we step into Power BI. We'll take them. Now back to our restaurant. Okay, different multi-cuisine environments. Now there is a barbecue. Trust me, I mean my examples in our classes. Okay, barbecue live. That is gateway, the barbecue entity. It is used to ensure up-to-date automatic data refresh activities. From where? From data source to cloud. To enjoy barbecue, we need cloud. Next, I said restaurant. Now, right now in Zomato, GIRF offer is going on. Great Indian Food Festival or something like that. And we happen to get the deal and we went to one nearby star hotel because we got a deal, okay? Otherwise, we will not. There we were a bit surprised to see Zomato, Swiggy are there in that star hotel. We have dine-in also. Both are there. Generally, I thought, okay, star hotels means there is no Swiggy dine out. It is there, to my observations, a nearby hotel. Now, here it is. That made me to give this example to you, okay? Report server is like a dine-in. I mean, reports are served only within your company premises, within your company's network, within your company's corporate network. So internal projects or confidential reports, any kind of operation related, employee related, project related, revenue related reports and all will be hosted in report server. Very recently, I gave training for DMDA, a defense ministry agency in Delhi. And there I could see they said they want only to host their reports in report server. They got nice trusted network across different branches in India. DMDE department from Defense Ministry. So it depends. It depends. So we may see social reports go cloud, like takeaway. This is takeaway cloud. My chef don't know who is enjoying the dish. I am the chef. I am cooking the reports. You are the chef. You are going to cook the reports from tomorrow by taking left and right ingredients on top. If it is cloud, it can go anywhere, everywhere, into websites, blogs, portals, apps, anything. That is cloud. Either reports, recipes, dashboards, platter, collection of recipes, dashboard, platter, or app, parcel. As simple as that. Really, app is a parcel. Let me show you what I mean. We are going to learn how to create app. It's like a parcel. That app parcel includes multiple contents. We have something called dashboard, something called reports. Both are different. And then once we get the publish of the report, we get something called a link, app link. That app link you can give it to whoever you want, website developers, bloggers, content writers, or mobile app, desktop app, application developers, power apps, etc. Anyone, everyone. So app is the main takeaway. Okay, remember it is like a parcel. What that parcel includes? Recipes, reports. That beauty is missing in report server. Dine in, there is no parcel service. In our course, we are going to learn the main advantage of Power BI, both dine in, number 9, and takeaway, number 8. But for these two, you have different, say, houses to build the reports, different restaurants. There are 4 types of dishes here, 4 types of reports we need to learn. 4 types of reports. Please by heart these new points for us. Interactive report, paginated report, mobile report, analytical report. Now, what are these? Why we need it? Let's get it slowly, step by step, okay? Then we go for questions one by one. What are these again? Interactive report. Let's start with interactive report. For example, let's talk about the interactive report, okay? A simple process. Assume you go to your Facebook account, or let me take you back to my browser and this one. Let me show you here. I'll take you to my LinkedIn account. Best simple example. Say last 365 days, this is my performance. Okay, and you see the content, right? Like this. That percentage calculation is there, right? That is previous day comparison. 1200% increase in reach compared to previous day. Who is calculating? DAX. Remember, DAX can perform those calculations. DAX, DAX. DAX is mainly for beautification of your report, garnishing, that is calculations, remember. But to get into DAX, we need a report. To get into report, we need to clean the data first, that is Power Query. Power Query first, DAX next. We have 50 examples on each. I'll come there very shortly. Next. That is interactive report. Over the mouse, we get the calculations. Paginated reports. Paginated reports are something like your bank statements, mobile bills, traditional reporting. So we have tools for interactive report. See there carefully. Let's make the diagram simple now. Interactive reports, one for cloud, one for report server. Next, paginated reports. I said like bank statements. Report builder, one for cloud, one for report server. Then we have something called analytical reports, mobile reports. Analytical reports will be designed based on Excel. So your regular MS Office Excel is enough. So Excel is a free Excel version can be used, no problem. A easy to use available environment. From there we got analytical reports. But remaining all we need to install carefully, complete. Design the reports. Then decide whether to go for takeaway or dine in or both. Tenants we call. This is our complete ecosystem or the Power BI ecosystem. So total of 6 design tools. One gateway for data refresh. Like barbecue, I said, live data refresh. We are going to experience it. Then cloud and report server, 2 different hosting solutions. With this information, now how to step into Power BI? Make sure we get SQL first. Any SQL basics should be enough. SQL is required, no compromise. We are learning for our job work, right? Yes, in earlier days, okay, work from home, etc., etc. But now things are not like that, right? So, no compromise, get SQL. Then step into Power BI. Without SQL, Power BI will not work. Let me tell you why. Let me show you why. Remember, it's all about data. It's all about databases and non-database data. In our classes, we'll start from the scratch Power BI introduction to basic report design, and then we'll understand various vocabulary practically, something called interactions, slicers, sync, grouping, etc. There are 30 basic items we need to learn first. It's like mantras, 30 different definitions we need to learn, 30. Once we learn those basic 30 differences, definitions with examples, then comes scenarios. First 5 chapters, 30 definitions. Just like SQL has databases, here we have certain definitions we need to learn. Then once we get all those definitions, then comes something called scenarios, like when to use which. Something like this on my screen now. Various scenarios to use those 30 definitions. Then from there, we need to learn slowly database with Power BI. Back to my screen. Database with Power BI. This one. Okay, right side item. For right side item, we require SQL. Basic should be fine, but SQL required. What kind of SQL? Joins, group by. These kind of queries. So please revise joins and group by concepts in SQL. Any SQL is okay, but be brand specific. Microsoft SQL, Oracle SQL, or MySQL, or PostgreSQL, or Snowflake SQL, Google BigQuery, Spark SQL, anything is fine. Some SQL or the other. get aggregated queries, joins and group by concept. Why? Because without SQL, we cannot talk to databases from Power BI. Okay, that is the first reason we need SQL. Second reason, we are going to work with multiple visualizations, multiple report shapes, good amount of colors we are going to see on the screen, beautifying the reports. Then comes 50 examples on our kitchen area Power Query. Out of 50 examples, at least 10 examples would be based on SQL. Out of 50, 10 examples are based on SQL prerequisite in Power Query. For example, parameters. We are into Power BI, but the main advantage of Power BI we need to learn, that is important. There are a lot of reporting tools in the market. What makes Power BI so special, so important? We need to learn that information. So need your support. 50 examples in Power Query. Out of 50, yes, there are few considerable information from SQL queries also. For example, parameters. Another basic example like this one, group by. We know SQL group by, then understanding Power Query group by is easier. Same way, joins. We know SQL joins, then understanding Power Query joins is very easier. Same concept again, inner join, outer joins, etc. So user interface version of SQL is nothing but Power Query, remember. User interface version, drag and drop version of SQL is Power Query. So we need SQL. There is third reason again for SQL. Well, Power Query is into kitchen area. Then comes reports. Those reports need to have some additional garnishing, I said, right? That is nothing but DAX. So we are going to learn something called DAX activities one by one. Data analysis expression language. DAX expressions, there comes few requirements wherein we need to work with something called relations, fact tables, dimension tables, etc. To understand those fact and dimensions, we need to write few queries. So SQL query, it's equivalent DAX query. A big SQL query can be rewritten in a simple DAX query. That is the beauty of DAX. So we know SQL, then let's know the unknown from known. I know SQL, then DAX becomes easy for me, trust me. So here it is. With this information, now what we need to do? Let's go back. I'll mail you all these notes. Please make sure you learn or revise SQL concepts. Then let's learn experiment Power BI together. Make sure we submit our assignments every day on time. Okay. Make sure we submit our assignments on time, please. Next. Then, after we perform these activities, you revise SQL first. Either you learn from us or you are already aware of SQL, then revise them. Step into Power BI. Then let's work on a project. Project involves step-by-step, phase-by-phase activities. You may start your project from mid of the course or towards end of the course. There will be about 20 plus report requirements. At the start level, phase 1. Then phase 2 would be about an SQL database as a source Phase 1 would be Excel source. Phase 2 SQL database source. We use Microsoft SQL database for report requirements. And the report requirements would be from SME level, subject matter expert level, in case you would like to plan for some resume. Fresher starter profiles, phase 1 of the project is enough. Experience profiles, phase 2 and phase 3 are required. Phase 3 is more into cloud publish, report uploads, dashboards, gateway, activators, etc. One by one will do. With this information, now what we learned so far, to make it simple and straight, on my screen now a small synopsis. What is Power BI? A reporting environment with 7 tools, 2 production environments and 2 technologies. Power BI desktop tool, desktop RS tool, report builder tool, Microsoft report builder tool. Then we have analytics, mobile, gateway. Okay, total 7 tools. All these are free tools. Remember, we need to have them. And there are 2 production environments, cloud service, server. 2 great technologies, Power Query, DAX. I shall include all this content into your email anyway in a Word document format. Please take a print copy of the Word document. Advantages of Power BI: cheaper, easy to use, free, friendly environment. And what are the options now? Because SQL is a mandatory prerequisite, you're already aware of SQL, you may join directly Power BI. If not, SQL with Power BI. You may join SQL with Power BI. Or if you are looking for experience in your profile, SQL, Power BI, data engineering. So there are 3 different plans, 3 different levels in our classes. You are aware of SQL, directly go for only Power BI. It should be fine. No, Sai, I'm new to SQL. No, I wanted to revise SQL. Then go for SQL plus Power BI combo together. You would like to showcase some experience in your resume. Then on my screen, total 3 different plans: SQL, Power BI, data engineer. So choice is yours as per your comfort. Next, what we are going to learn in each of these modules, what we learn in SQL, what we learn in Power BI, what we learn in data engineer. Day-wise roster will be sent, detailed day-wise roster. Please see if we can go through it carefully. Coming to the schedules, each of these modules have their own schedule separately. For this SQL, in case if you are planning for SQL, then let me give the schedules here. This is April 3rd, tomorrow, introduction class. From day after tomorrow, we are going to start the actual batch. 8 a.m. April 30th, in case the timings are different. Okay? And you have, yes, 10:30 a.m. That includes, say, April 15th batch. Or you may have 8 p.m. That would be from April 9th. Means almost every week we'll be having a new SQL batch. Almost every week. And April 23rd for 9 p.m. batch. It's 1 hour every day. And all timings are in India time. Coming to Power BI, we are going to start from tomorrow as you see on our website, April 3rd. And this should be mostly during May 2nd week and 8 p.m. Other schedule from April 29. Power BI usually every 20 to 25 days will be starting new batch. SQL every week and Power BI every 3 to 4 weeks. Data engineering. 7 a.m. schedule in case if you are planning for April 3rd tomorrow. We have an introduction class, you may attend for it. And you have the 11 a.m. schedule. Mostly it would be May 2nd week going on now. And 7 p.m. schedule.
Excuse me, your voice is breaking up intermittently.
Oh,
Keep
is it
the mic.
others? Others, is my voice clear or breaking? Let me know, please. Please let me know, please. I'll wait.
Breaking, sir.
Oh, 1 minute. 1 minute.
No.
1 minute. Breaking, right? Please wait. Please wait. Just wait, okay? Please hold on. Voice clear now? Please confirm, please. Is my voice clear now? I'll wait, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yes, sir.
fine.
Perfect, perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. I just switch over to my other computer. Fine. Well, friends, so here are the schedules, okay? Thanks for the heads up. Someone said voice breaking. Thank you for the heads up. Thank you. Yes, so tomorrow we are going to start core Power BI, okay? Revise SQL concepts. These SQL would be mainly joins. Please revise joins and group by. These are very, very important. Initial classes. And we are going to learn slowly something called data models, fact dimension, data modeling, etc. in Power BI. So by mid of our Power BI journey, please revise constraints. Enough. Joins, group by, first priority, constraint, second priority. Please revise them for easy, simplified understanding of our Power BI classes. We'll stop for now. Let's go for questions, clarifications, if any. In the meantime, I would be composing an email and send you download link, software download link. We are going to slowly start our installation tomorrow. Windows 8 or higher operating system required. For any Microsoft technology, Windows 8 or higher required for our classes. And RAM. 6 gig RAM is okay. The more, the better. Always. Over to you now. Any questions? Please let me know. Your comfort. Let me know, please, your questions.
Hey, thank you. It's a good introduction. This is Rama.
Tell me, Rama.
So
Thank you. Yeah.
my question is, you have plan A and plan B. I am starting at 0 for
Okay.
SQL, so I would need plan B.
Exactly.
And when you say the classes are starting tomorrow for the plan B as well, if I recall,
Yes.
tomorrow at 6 a.m. Houston, 6 a.m. India time, right?
Exactly. So you'll start with SQL first. Once you complete your SQL, then you go for Power BI. Don't go in parallel, brother. Because there is a dependency, right? So go in sequence, safe side. Yes, always.
Okay, and that would make total 7 weeks, 3 plus.
Exactly. Yeah, yeah. 3 plus 4, 7 weeks. Correct. Yes, you're right.
Okay, and what time is for the Power BI? The timings that you have 8 a.m. So I will have to, let's say, first 3 weeks I'll have to do the 6 a.m. class, and then I'll
Yes.
switch to the
Yeah,
8
the
a.m.
8
class.
p.m. Yeah, 8 p.m. April 29th is there, right? You can get ready for that particular schedule if you are okay with the timings. Yeah, you can do.
PM I cannot do it, so I have to come back to the AM schedule. So right now you have April 3rd. That probably will finish at the end. So after I finish my first 3 weeks with the April 3rd SQL, then I'll have to look for what opens up Power BI. Maybe there'll be 1 or 2 week gap, I guess.
Yeah, definitely there will be. Yeah, right. There will be. Yes.
Okay. And what is the fee structure for that?
Yeah, our
For
team shall
both
call you after the class anyway. We already have everything on the website. I'll just take you to our website once, sqlschool.com. Here it is. Okay, and you may go to the BI course, Power BI, right? And you got the course details, plans and prices. Okay, plan A, B, C, you got everything. Our team shall call you after the class today anyway. Here are the prices, everything on the site. Our team shall call you after the class anyway, everyone, for any kind of non-technical information. Will do. Yeah.
All right.
Yes. In the meantime, I need to send you the notes from today's class. I'll do it now. And please submit the form. You'll be receiving one form now. Kindly submit the form and let us know which course you're opting for. Let me just change my screen in the meantime. Let me change it. Yes, here it is. Just in case if you are looking for the schedule, sorry, the plans, here it is. In the meantime, sending you the email now. Please bear with me for about few seconds, max 1 minute, composing the email. Yes, friends, one email sent just now. Kindly check. I'll wait. It includes the course curriculum, PDF document. Please take a print copy of the Word document, the PDF document if possible. And every day you will be having the detailed notes sent before the class. In fact, you'll be receiving the notes once a week for the entire next week classes. Better to take print copies of the Word documents. Get them ready. Not only for Power BI, for any course, we had this new option wherein we could see good amount of response rate in the class. Get the things printed beforehand. Need your support. Let's make it interactive. Email sent just now. Kindly check. I'll wait. Yes, email sent just now. Kindly check. I'll wait.
I got it.
Fine, fine. Yep. Others, please check it, friends. I'll wait, please. I shall wait for some time. Kindly.
I didn't get it actually.
Might be on the way, sister. I'll wait for some time. I'll wait. I'll wait. In the meantime, anyone, any questions, please? Amrik Kapoor, Anusha, Divya, Nitin. Yes, Rakesh. Rakesh, you asked me a question on the chat about SQL. Hope you got the answer, brother. Kindly check your mic. Please check your mic, Rakesh. I'll wait. Yeah. Please
Yeah, I have a question actually.
tell me, please. Yeah. Please tell me.
Yeah, let me check. C, I would like to take Plan C. So, what's the structure like? Uh, First comes Power BI or Azure Data Engineer. What's the preference
Go in
after
order
SQL?
as you see on the screen. Go for SQL, Power BI, then data engineer. See, like you need to, first check whether you want primary skill set as data engineer or primary skill set as Power BI. So learn the primary skill set first. Then go for a secondary skill set next. Save. One
Let
after the other.
After SQL, I would like to take Data Engineer. Is it possible, or should I
Why
take
not?
Power BI then Data Engineer?
Anything is fine. We have both items on my screen. 156 or 165. What are these
Is it
numbers?
both same?
One, Rakesh. Let me complete, please. 156 or 165. Both are same classes, same schedules. Order is different. So in case if anyone going for data engineer first, their primary skill set will be data engineer. So in their project work, they mention data engineer more, Power BI less, or vice versa. Choice is yours, as you wish. Yes, Rakesh, over to you now. Please tell me. Yeah.
Like I'm starting from the scratch itself. So, what could
Okay.
be the good thing?
Which technology you want as a primary? Data engineer primary or Power BI primary? Which one?
Data engineer is the primary because
Then go for
reporting all
data
comes
engineer
under
tax.
secondary.
I got it now. Please see 1 comma 5 comma 6 in order, one by one. Don't do parallel, do in sequence, safe side. Okay,
Yeah,
1
I
5
got it. Thanks.
then 6. Yeah. Next question, please. I'll wait.
I have a question, Sai.
Yes, madam. Please tell me. Yeah.
How much do I need like Excel to know? Like I'm aware of SQL, but I have a less knowledge in Excel. Do I need to basics is okay? Do I need advanced Excel?
One thing, madam. What's your target job profile? Like data analyst or business analyst? Which kind of job profiles you are targeting?
Power BI.
Well, if
Power
it is
BI
Power BI, like Power BI developer, is it?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Yeah. Are you
Could you
looking
please
for Power BI developer job roles? Is it?
Yes, Power BI developer.
Then fine. Then whatever we learn in our classes from Excel, like Excel pivots, Excel controls, we are going to learn in our classes, analytical reports, and Excel with DAX, we are going to learn. That should be enough. No additional learning required apart from our curriculum. That's fine.
Oh, thank you.
Fine, madam. Next question, please. I'll wait. Hope you got the email, everyone. Please confirm. Please check.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Others, please check it. Please. I'll wait for some.
Is it mandatory to have the Windows OS or Ubuntu OS is also fine?
Oh, no, no. Windows is required, sister. Because we are going to install those tools I said, right? So for tools installation, Windows is mandatory now. Other operating systems will not support all Power BI tools. So why to compromise? Better to have Windows, please. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Tomorrow we are going to start with basic report design from scratch.
Sir, I didn't get email yet.
Might be on the way. Sindhu, sir, I think you already completed SQL from us, right? So you'll get the second mail now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Yeah. Okay. For participants who are new to our trainings, they got the mail
Okay.
because they need to
Okay.
decide whether to start from Power BI or SQL, right? For them. Okay.
Got it, sir.
Fine.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Next question, please. I'll wait. So how many hours you can practice per day? Minimum 1 hour, please, everyone. Minimum 1 hour, please. Practice per day.
Yes, sir.
Please, everyone, please.
So how do we make up classes? Let's say we have a conflict and cannot make the class. How do we make up?
Yes, our team shall call you, friends, everyone. Once again, let me tell you, our team shall call you, everyone, to address all your non-technical questions, and we'll be providing you the email now that includes all the training guidelines, that gives you the information. What if we are missing a class? What if there is a break in your practice? What if we couldn't make up to more number of classes? How to go on with the next batch for the remaining classes? Everything. You take it. Ram, answer to your question. Video to be provided upon prior intimation if you are missing any class. 1 or 2 per week is okay, but don't make them more than 2, okay, per week, please. Yeah. Ram, do you hear
Thank
me,
you.
brother? Please take your mic, please.
Thank you.